Hello everyone, I'm Francesco Barbon, product specialist Progeo. Today I'm going to show you the ultralight active wheelchair Joker. Joker, a rigid frame model that never stops amazing. Its linear and accurate design, elegant and sporty at the same time, offers great characteristics in terms of lightness and maneuverability. Multiple adjustments and an uncountable numbers of possible configuration and personalization make this model an elite product. We now learn about the heart of this wheelchair, in other words, the supporting structure of it, made of two side plates, one each side, that connect the rear axle. This side plate allows for two very important adjustments, the rear height by means of these holes and the point of balance by sliding the frame frontward or backward any millimeter. Let's have a deeper look at these plates. We use just a section of the wheelchair in order to have a better look at the parts which are involved. I remove the rear wheel and the mudguards, and now we can appreciate the machining of this aluminum plate, which is designed to offer maximum resistance with minimum weight. We can see the two clamps fixing the frame and that are involved in the adjustment of the point of balance. The point of balance adjustment is quite easy, quick and precise. Just loosen the two bolts and now you are able to slide the frame frontward or backward any millimeter. Once you tighten the two clamps and then you put the mudguards on and the rear wheel on, you notice that the profile of the mudguard remains the same and you don't need to adjust the brake. We've just learned about the heart of this wheelchair, its supporting structure with the aluminum plates and its adjustments. But now we can have a lighter wheelchair with a different supporting structure in carbon fiber. And now, here comes the Joker with the full carbon plates. The full carbon plate keeps the same adjustment of the aluminum plate, and we can see that in detail, and we will recognize the holes for the rear height adjustments, and on the inner side we will see again the two clamps fixing the frame and that allow for the point of balance adjustments in the sliding system. Other adjustments for this model include those on the backrest. The backrest is a height adjustable and angle adjustable. In fact, these two bolts on the plates allows for 20 degrees of angle adjustments. Regarding the front height, we have a fork support with a sliding system. Two bolts here fix the clamp, and once you loosen them, then you are able to slide it upward or downward according to the new height. The fork support includes a very easy to perform angle adjustment system. The foot plates adjustable in height, in inclination and in position as well. The frame of the wheelchair in aluminum alloy 70/20 and elliptical section to give extra strength to it always follow proportionally the seat depth of the wheelchair, and it is available in three different angles: 85, 90 or more open angle, 100 degrees. But the peculiarity of this wheelchair is when you have a look at it from the front. And in fact, you should notice the convergence of the two front frames, or if you wish, you can call a V-shape frame. However, in the order form, there is the possibility to order the same chair with a parallel frame in order to have flip-up foot plates or even split foot plates. Let's see some of the standard components for this model. The seat canvas, made of a very strong fabric, has 2 strips of female velcro. In the front, a small pocket with a velcro fastening. The breathable and fireproof backrest upholstery has in its back a very wide pocket for personal belongings. Underneath the upholstery, we find a series of velcro straps to give better comfort to the user. They are adjustable. The backrest is also folding. And when you fold it, it locks in its folded position. That means that you can even lift the wheelchair by grabbing it by its rigidizer, just like this. Another standard component is the mudguards or side guards that are removable. As we mentioned at the beginning of this presentation, the model Joker offers a great number of configurations. We came to learn about the aluminium side plates and also about the full carbon side plates. Then we saw the V-shaped front frame, but you can also choose a parallel frame. But the choices continue, and in fact you can choose the backrest structure in aluminium or in titanium, or even in carbon fiber. In carbon fiber you can also choose the rear axle, and you can also choose, last but not least, the frame elliptical section. So it means that you can combine all these carbon fiber components, so frame, rear axle, backrest, and full carbon plates, to have at the end of the day a Joker with a full carbon structure and frame, but that keeps all the adjustments. Then for a more complete personalization, you can choose colors and all the possible accessories that are available for this model.